What if I told you that the receipts you throw away every single day are actually worth money? Not coupons, not discounts. I mean real cash, PayPal money and gift cards. And no, this is not some scammery survey site. In this video, I am going to show you apps that literally pay you just to scan your receipts, and by the end, you will know exactly which apps are worth your time, which ones are a waste, and how to stack them to maximize your earnings. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about making money online. Simple, real and beginners friendly. Today's video is perfect if you want something. No skills, no investment, just your phone. Let's get into it. So I can divide section 1 to section 4. So first up, section 1 is, before we jump into apps, let's understand something important. Why would anyone pay you for receipts? Simple. Big companies want data. They want to know what you are buying, where you are shopping, how much you are spending. That data is insanely valuable. So instead of grocery that pay you to give it to them, that's why this app exists. You are basically getting paid for your shopping habits. In this section too, I can tell you some of the basics app that you can scan just and earn cash, real cash. First up is Fetch Rewards. So you can know. First is Fetch Rewards. It is the one of the easiest app. Fetch Rewards. Here's how it works. You scan any receipt, you earn points. You redeem those points for gift cards. No need to select offers. No compliment steps. It's literally scan to earn. Perfect for beginners. You will not get rich, but it's affordable money. Next is Ibota. This is the most strategical Ibota. Before you shopping, you unlock offers inside the app. First up, buy those tips, get cash back, and that is $1, $3, and even $5 per day. So next is Receipt Hog. So RECIPTHOG. This is one gamifies the whole process. You scan receipt, earn coins, spin bonuses, and redeem cash. It's more fun than one's other. So next is Coin Out. If you want something ultra simple, Coin Out. No offers, no planning. Just scan receipt, get paid. That's it. The payouts per receipt is small, but it takes like 5 seconds. Just 5 seconds. Amazon Shopper Panel. This is one of the best powerful app, and you can upload 10 receipts. You can get $10 in reward, and sometimes even more through surveys. If you get access to this, use it. Seriously. Bonus apps, quick method, Shopkick, scans items and work. Real tricks is not using one app. It's using all of them together. So right now and follow this process. Let's be honest. This is not a full-time income. If anyone tells you that, they are lying. Here's the real breakdown. Casual users $5 to $20 per month. Consistent user $20 to $50 per month. Advanced setting $50 to $11 per month. It depends on how often you shop, how many apps you use, and how consistent you are. So, our last strategy is, if you actually want to maximize this, do this. Use the same receipt one multiplication apps. You can use one multiplication receipt, but you can use the multiplication apps. Collect receipt from family and friends. More receipt, more money. Focus on grocery stores and stay consistent. This is a volume game. You can earn $20 to $50 per month that you can earn just grocery. So yeah, next time you are get a receipt, don't throw it away, because the little piece of paper is literally free money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real ways to make money online. And in my next video, I will show you apps that pay instantly to PayPal. See you there.